YouTube, how are you all doing today? I'm going to show you everything I did in this tutorial to achieve this men's boss braid. We use a braiding hair that will match his natural hair, and you can easily get it in your local beauty supply store, or you can order it online. It is a kinky hair. So the thing I did to make the hair to look nice and down, is I make sure I braid down. I did like knotless boss braid, and I put my hands down so that the hair will come out so low. I forgot to tell you guys earlier that his natural hair was so hard. I have to use my blow dryer to make it to look soft so that it will be easy for me to work on it. And for this hairstyle, you guys have been seeing it everywhere. It's really a good hairstyle for men, and they shave like round their hair and leave only the middle. That's where we are working on. We are doing the boss braid in the middle, and as you guys can see in the video, the side of his hair, the both sides are shaved, so the boss braid was in the middle. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me what you want, what you need.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I didn't dip it in hot water after the braids cause I used kinky hair that match with his natural hair. In case you're using a normal caniculum hair or expression, you can dip it in hot water at the end of the braid.
I try to make the hair not to be too bulky, guys. That is the beauty of the hair. Don't forget to check other of my videos. If you enjoyed the tutorial, subscribe to my channel, be part of this family. Bye.